Hi friends, welcome to my channel Travel with Siri. In today's video, let me show you how to make a beautiful hoop wall hanging with old fabrics. Anyone can do this beautiful piece with little patience. Things we need to make hoop wall hangings are some old fabric to make flowers. I used 100% polyester fabric for flowers. One plain cloth for the base. I used a school uniform skirt as a base, a scissors, needle and thread, old buttons and a hot glue gun. Along with these, we also need a wooden hoop to further install the base fabric over it. To make the flowers, we need to cut the fabrics into circular shape. I cut the fabric into 3 different sizes of circles to make small to medium sized flowers. With a needle and thread, do a running stitch at the outer circle as shown in the video. Once you are done with stitching till the end, gently pull the thread which squeezes the fabric to form a small ball. Simply press the ball with your thumb to make it flat that looks like a flower. Once you see the desired shape of a flower, secure the thread by stitching it on both the sides and tie a knot at the end. For the base of the hoop, I used a school uniform skirt to upcycle it to a beautiful piece of wall decor. I took a square piece of an uniform fabric and installed it on the hoop to fit it tightly and had cut the extra piece of fabric using a scissors. But here I made a small mistake by cutting the extra fabric. Instead, I should have turned the fabrics the other side and do a running stitch behind it to make it look nicer. Even I am new to upcycling fabrics and finding different ways to rescue them from landfills. Well, once we fix the base fabric into the hoop, it's time to attach the fabric flowers on the base. I aligned the flowers according to my desired shape and used a hot glue gun to attach the flowers onto the base. As the flowers looked bare with the stitches visible on the top, I used buttons of old outfits to stick them over the flowers as shown in the video. I could have stitched the buttons, but the hot glue helps in locking the stitches on the flowers and also stick good with the buttons. It's time to stick those cute flowers to your desired shape onto the base fabric using a hot glue gun. Once it is done, hang this beautiful piece to showcase your handmade display to your friends and family. Also tell them that you have rescued some fabrics from going into the trash that further pollute our environment. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you wish to support me, please like my video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.